in the moment right now?
Never imagined to be here, but I'm so proud of myself because of the support of my families and friends, and the support of other candidates who's been with us tonight.
Thank you very much. Before we proceed, ladies and gentlemen, I do want to make clear you will have 60 seconds to answer this question. Once that 60 seconds is up, you will hear this sound. You will hear this sound.
That's me.
That's it. There we go.
That's it. Thank
So
you.
60 seconds, short and concise. All right, Ashley, let us ask our final common question.
Are you ready? You know number 3. All right. You only have one common question to answer to all our top 5 finalists. So let's just wait for the question.
May I request for our final
Yes,
question,
for the final
please?
question for our, Pasigueño top 5.
Okay, we will be asking it from our judges. Clarification, mga Pasigueño, we will be asking our final common question from our distinguished board of judges. So I'm handing over the honor to our distinguished board of judges for our final common question. Thank you very much.
So number 3, are you ready to answer a question with the best of your ability?
Yes, I'm ready.
He is more than ready. Here we go.
So I'm going to read it in English first, and then she will read it in Tagalog. So her question is, with everything that is going on, not only in this country, but around the world, what do you value more? The happiness of your family or getting rich?
Thank you. Kinakabahan ka ba?
Medyo po.
Ayan, wag.
Can we please repeat the question?
Yes, eto
Once
na.
again, let's repeat the question one more time for our candidate. Thank you very
Yes,
much.
in Tagalog. Eto, asan ba? Ito na lang sa akin. O, diba? Sabi ko sa inyo eh. Okay. Sa bilis ng takbo ng buhay ngayon, maging sa ating bansa, o sa buong mundo, kasama mo lang ngayon, mamaya wala na. Sa tingin mo, ano ang mas mahalaga sa'yo? Payamanan o pasayahan ng pamilya? At bakit?
Thank you so much for that question. I would say having a happy family because I believe that family is a gift from God, and as a person, I value my family, especially my mom, who is behind of this man that you see in front of you. He is my reason why I am here and inspired, and in that way, I want to inspire other people. And one of the greatest blessings is having not rich family, but a happy and contented family that make memories and last forever. Thank you so much.
Maraming salamat. Let's give him a big round of applause. Yes, I love that answer. Mama's boy, Ginabo. Maraming salamat. Thank you very much for that answer. Once again, let's give him a big round of applause. I'm a mama's boy also, by the way. So I love that answer. Are you? Yeah, good job. Okay, please introduce our next,
Yes, of course. Let's call on stage our next Ginoo to answer our top 5 question. Ginoo number 4.
Tayong supporters ng Ginoo number 4, let's hear some noise! Si Kim ba yan? Kim Chuba? Again. Alright, Kim. How are you? I can see your name kasi sa balloons. How does it feel to be here on this stage? You made it to the top 5 finalists. It's already an achievement. Pero, how does it feel? Are you nervous? Kaya mo ba?
Kayang-kaya. Actually, this is my first pageant. And I'm very grateful na pinulfill ko tong dream na to. And sana, magtuloy-tuloy to hanggang makuha ko yung corona.
Totoo naman.
Kaya mo yan.
Kaya mo yan, Kim. Ikaw babae ba? Grabe naman ang mga supporters mo ngayong gabi. Talagang kakayanin mo.
That's right. Your supporters will take you through. Just take a deep breath. Kaya mo to. I'm shifting over the torch to our judges.
Hello, candidate number 4. How are you?
I'm happy that I entered top 5 po and very grateful sa support po na natatanggap ko sa mga kabarangay ko po.
Okay, that's good. Alright, this is your question. With everything that is going on, not only in this country, but around the world, what do you value more? The happiness of your family or getting rich? Okay? In Tagalog.
Siyempre ako yun. Yan. Huwag kang kabahan, madali lang to. Sa bilis ng takbo ng buhay ngayon, hindi lang dito sa ating bansa, maging sa buong mundo. Kasama mo lang ngayon, mamaya wala na. Ano yung mas mahalaga sa iyo ngayon? Yung payamanan o pasayahan ng pamilya? At bakit?
Ang pipiliin ko po ay yung magkakaroon po ng masayang pamilya. Dahil naniniwala nga po ko sa sinabi nyo na napakabilis po ng ating buhay. At hindi po natin ito masasabi bukas, makalawa, hindi na natin kasama yung mga mahal natin sa buhay. Kaya naniniwala po ako na ang pamilya po ang kasama natin, katuwang natin sa pag-abot natin ng mga pangarap natin. At kapag nawala po sila, hindi ko po kakayanin. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you so much, Dino on number 4, family above all.
Yes, let's give a big round of applause for Dino on number 4. Maraming salamat for that very confident answer. Sino ang next natin actually?
Ang next natin, Nico, ay si Dino on number 6. Nandito na ba ang ating susunod na Dino?
Dino number 6.
Marami rin siyang supporters.
Saan supporters niya? Come on, stand up. Let me see some support. Dino. Yeah. Alright, he is making his way to the front of the stage. Grabe, Ashley. Ang hirap yung mga questions, to be honest. Iniisip ko kung paano ako mag-answer yung questions na yan.
Naku, ikaw ba kayang-kaya mo yan?
I don't think so. Alright.
Pero naniniwala ko mas kayang-kaya ni Ginawa number 6. Are you ready?
Ready.
He is ready.
How was the isolation? What were you listening to? Were you listening to the music or... Raise Under Pressure. Yan yung new song. Sobrang bagay sa moment na to. Alright, number 6, this is your time to shine. We will hand over the torch to our judges. May I remind you, you can ask for them to repeat the question either in English or Tagalog. Feel free. Huwag kang mahiya, ha? Okay, over to our judges. Please ask our candidate their final question.
Hello, candidate number 6. I will read it in English and Sugar will read it in Tagalog. Your question is, with everything that is going on, not only in this country, but around the world, what do you value more? The happiness of your family or getting rich?
Perfect.
Can you please repeat the question in English again for our candidate? Thank you very much.
Tagalog na, ay, English daw.
With everything that is going on, not only in this country, but around the world, what do you value more? The happiness of your family or getting rich?
Thank you for that question.
Do you want Tagalog no more?
I can answer it in English.
Okay, yabang mo naman. Sorry po.
Thank you. I do value more my family because they're the ones who moved me to what I am today. Because, as I always say, I'm part of the Pasig Scholarship Program. And that discipline is molded by my family. And the Pasig government helped me a lot. That's why I was able to graduate as magna cum laude. And wanted to share that story to everyone, that if you work hard, study hard, you can achieve whatever your dream is because the Pasig government is there to support you in every step of the way. And me showing up right here in this very stage is just an evidence na sa Pasig, totoo, maagos ang pag-asa. Thank you po.
Maraming salamat. Number 6. Let's give him a big round of applause. You did a great job, and I love this answer. Hard work and dedication and education provided by the government of Pasig. That's really the key to success.
Thank you so much.
All right, shall we welcome our next candidate?
Of course, I think he is ready. Come on stage, Ginoo number 9.
Saan ang supporters ng Ginoo number 9?
Saan ang supporters ng Ginoo number 9?
Saan po?
Ayun!
Saan? Yun! Sa taas pala! Ano sinasabi nyo? Pinapaninig eh. Anyways, okay. How are you? You've been waiting patiently. How does it feel to be on this stage? You made it so far.
It's kind of impressive for me because actually this is my first time. So this is a new experience for me. It's fun. It's knowledgeable for us, and each candidate gives me something new to learn.
Parang, I love it. Wala pa. Teka. I love your confidence. You seem very comfortable on this stage. Let's do this. I'm rooting for you. All right. Passing it over to our judges. Please and thank you.
Hi, candidate number 9. Here's your question. With everything that is going on, not only in this country, but around the world, what do you value more? The happiness of your family or getting rich? Okay? You want me to repeat the question or
Yes.
in Tagalog?
May you repeat your question, please?
Okay. With everything that is going on, not only in this country, but around the world, what do you value more? The happiness of your family or getting rich? In Tagalog.
Sorry, in getting.
Tatagalogin ko, huwag kang mag-alala. Di ba nahirapan ka din? Ang wala sa'yo. Soon, dito na ako, lilipat na ako dito, ha? Parang babay ako sa Pasig, you know? Okay, ito na, ha? Magiging namin ko. Okay. Ulitin ko lang yun, ha? Sa bilis ng takbo ng buhay ngayon, hindi lang dito sa ating bansa, maging sa buong mundo. Ngayon kasama mo, mamaya wala na. Sa tingin mo, ano yung mas mahalaga sa'yo? Yung payamanan o pasayahan ng pamilya?
Maraming salamat.
You want to repeat?
No need.
Okay.
Thank you. Maraming salamat sa inyong magandang katanungan. Para sa akin, mas pipiliin ko kasiyahan ng aking pamilya. Dahil ang yaman ay nawawala na yung pagigay na pupunta sa hukay. Para kasi sa akin, ang kasiyahan, hindi lamang naman nakikita to sa ating pamilya, kundi sa ating mga kasama sa kaibigan. Sa kapwa nating Kapasigenyo, kapwa nating Pilipino. Kaya para sa akin, pipiliin ko pa rin ang kasiyahan kaysa kayamanan. Maraming salamat.
Thank you so much. Ginoo number 9.
Thank you very much, Ginoo number 9. Let's give him a big round of applause.
Palakpakan natin.
Happiness over money.
I agree. What would you choose? Happiness or money?
Happiness talaga. Pero hirap hanapin mo.
Ako, tanongin mo ako. Ano pipiliin ko? Happiness or money? Ask me. Happiness with money. Diba?
Both ba?
Yeah, both. Why not both? Why not choose both?
Parang lover chocolate, gano'n?
Yeah.
Anyways.
We're down to our last candidate, Nico. Our Ginoo number 13.
Alright, Ginoo number 13. Ladies and gentlemen, he's been waiting very patiently. Our last one of our top 5 finalists. What? Hot dog. No joke. Okay. Thank you very much. You've been waiting very patiently. How does it feel to be here? This is the moment you've been waiting for. I'm sure you envisioned this when you entered Ginoong Pasigueño.
I'm just so grateful, but I want to give the credits for my team, my designer, my makeup artist, because I wouldn't be able here tonight without them. So thank you so much.
Thank you very much. Brother, may I remind you, our judges will be asking the question. You'll have 60 seconds to answer the question. You may ask them to repeat the question either in English or Tagalog. Huwag ka mahiya, okay? Mga judges, Ready na ba kayo? Okay.
Hello, candidate number 13. With everything that is going on, not only in this country, but around the world, what do you value more? The happiness of your family or getting rich?
Thank you. Sa Tagalog. Sa bilis ng takbo ng buhay ngayon, di lang dito sa ating bansa, maging sa buong mundo. At minsan, yung kasama mo, andito, mabibigla ka na lang, wala na. Diba yung mga mahal mo sa buhay? Ano ang mas mahalaga sa iyo ngayon? Payamanan o pasayahan ng pamilya? At bakit?
I understand the fact that we are living in this ever-changing world where we have seen how much humanity suffer from the hatred problem of this world. But at a very young age, I've witnessed how my parents got separated from each other. It was because my dad got into an affair, destroyed their marriage, and also I was hostage by my own dad. But the most important for me, aside from being rich, is also to have a happy family. Because I really want to experience a complete and happy family. We're full of happiness and love. Because I've been longing for that for a very long time. And I hope to use my influence to encourage everyone to use the best form of communication, which is love. Because if we show love, empathy, we put ourselves to the shoes of others, then we could really live in this harmonious world where no individual would have to suffer from being discriminated, hatred, and problem of this world. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Ginoo, number 13, Peter Cruz. Maraming salamat.
Let's give them all number 13 a big round of applause just in the nick of time. Sakto, ang ito bell man. Alright, mga Pasagueño, let's give our top 5 finalists a big round of applause in their final question and answer. Yung burning question. Kasi wala na for our competition. Their fate lies in the hands of our judges. Mga Pasagueño, who deserves to take home